As our Transpacific journey on the Discovery Princess continued westward, the next stretch of our adventure brought us to two unforgettable ports in Japan, each offering its own unique blend of history, culture, and coastal charm. We set sail from Koto, and the next port was Shimizu, a port blessed with one of the most iconic backdrops in the country, the towering silhouette of Mount Fuji. Whether the skies are crystal clear or touched by mist, there's always something serene about arriving in this harbor. From the cruise terminal, we made our way to S-Plus Dream Plaza, a seaside entertainment complex that is playful, colorful, and perfect for stretching your legs after days at sea. Inside, you'll find everything from local food stores to quirky shops and interactive exhibits. The plaza is also home to the Shimizu Sushi Museum and a Ferris wheel that gives you an elevated view of the bay. While we spend our visit exploring the lively atmosphere around Dream Plaza, another popular option for cruisers is a trip to Miho no Musubara. This scenic pine-lined beach is only 15 minutes away by taxi. It is part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site connected to the Mount Fuji cultural landscape. Whether you choose the relaxed fun of Dream Plaza or the timeless beauty of Miho no Musubara, Shimizu welcomes you with laid-back charm and unforgettable scenery. Our journey continued south to Osaka, one of Japan's most vibrant and energetic cities. From the port, we hop onto the subway, an adventure of its own for first-time visitors, and made our way toward one of the city's greatest landmarks, Osaka Castle. The subway station is a short walk from the port. The ride took about 16 minutes and cost 290 yen. You get off at station C18. Emerging from the station, the pace of the city gives way to wide paths, stone walls, and a moat that surrounds the castle grounds. The approach feels like stepping into centuries of history. Osaka Castle, originally built in the late 1500s, has stood at the center of some of Japan's most important battles and power struggles. Today, the modern reconstruction still captures the grandeur and layered architecture of the original keep, complete with sweeping terraces, golden ornamentation, and views stretching across the city. Walking through the park, you are surrounded by families, joggers, and travelers, all moving through the peaceful green space beneath the towering main keep. It is a reminder of how seamlessly Japan blends old and new, historic fortresses rising over one of the world's most modern cities. Inside the castle, exhibits trace the stories of Toyotomi Hideyoshi and the unification of Japan. Whether or not you venture inside, the castle itself is the real star, majestic, photogenic, and rich with stories that have shaped the nation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.